What's up, techies? It's your girl MJ, and I'm coming at you with a video, and it's gonna be pretty cool. I've always made videos with my phone or my laptop, and although Apple makes great products, because I'm shooting now for my MacBook Air, I think that I should step it up a little bit. I'm gonna do an unboxing on the Nikon D5600. So here's what it looks like when you open the box. It comes with a warranty card, camera accessory warranty program. This looks like some information. Nikon school, so maybe there's a way to learn more about the camera. First thing I see here is the battery charger. This is definitely a needed item. So it looks pretty cool. Small battery charger. This guy pops out like that and plugs straight into the wall. Comes with a cap. Remove the cap and you can charge it up. So there is a layer of cardboard. And now for the good stuff. We got some bubble wrap. And it comes with a lens. So you've got 18 to 55 millimeter lens. This one also comes with a secondary lens. These lenses can get pretty expensive, so I jumped on the kit when I saw it in the price range I wanted, but it included 2 lenses. So here is the Nikon DX AFP 70 to 300 millimeters. So it goes this guy to this. Next there's a holder, pretty cool Nikon. Strap onto the camera. Alright, last but definitely not least, the camera itself. Comes with a cover. It has full touch screen that you can flip around and watch as you shoot. I'm thinking that will come in handy when I'm doing my YouTube videos, traveling, all that type of stuff. It has a slot on top for mounting. That guy should pop up for your flash. It's pretty sick. I mean, there's a few ports on the side, and I particularly wanted this brand because it has a mic port, the SD card slot here, and a HDMI port here. So it's a pretty sick camera. All in all, it's pretty light, pretty lightweight. Stay tuned. I'm gonna maybe post some videos of me using it, probably some shots that I take. I was thinking about going up into the mountains and getting some shots of the snow, things like that. So I'm really looking forward to using it. So I'll show you a lot more when I get it powered up. Here's the box. Since it's an unboxing. But I'm super stoked, super excited about it. Really ready to use it. Pretty straightforward. And this is the Nikon D5600. And it comes with both lenses in this kit. So this guy retails for about $700. So thanks for checking out this video. I'm gonna probably do a few more videos about this camera. Probably show some of its capabilities and features. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting really hands-on with this. So thanks everybody. Click the link below if you want to subscribe. It's a brand new day one YouTube channel, so I'm really trying to get those subscribers up. Also, if you'd like, you can check out some of my other videos. Thank you. Peace.